Hi besties, I just finished reading some of my book. I'm currently reading The Summer I Turned Pretty. You guys know in my last vlog how I was loving the show when it was coming out every Thursday night. And season 2 just finished and I'm like, I have to read all 3 of these books because I want to know how it ends. I am a Team Conrad girly and season 2 just did not do it for me. Just reading that, but I got an order for my business kellyprepster while I was reading, so I'm like, we need to switch gears because we're gonna have a work night. It's currently 7:30. I need to pack some orders. I have 10 orders I need to pack, which will be on my second channel, Kelly Prepster Studio, and I'll share the behind the scenes with you guys in a little studio vlog. So before we get started, I'm gonna go fill up my Stanley because I am so parched. I feel like when I'm reading or editing, I just like drink so much water. So we're gonna go do that. We'll say hi to little Burrow along the way. You're so cute, puppy. And my birthday was over the weekend, so John put these cute little streamers up. They are seriously so stinking cute. Probably gonna have to take him down soon because a little bird keeps going over to him and sniffing him, and it's probably not good for a puppy. But let me show you guys what I'm wearing because it's so cute and so fun and colorful and like kind of transitions from summer to fall. I have on this super cute oversized black and white striped top, which I feel like is a really good transitional piece. Then of course my favorite hot pink J. Crew chino shorts, but I think these little Sperry penny loafers really help transition this outfit from summer to fall, and I just think it's cute. I have my little gold necklace on and my gold Daniel Wellington watch and my rings all twisted around, but so cute. I also painted my nails pink. Love it for the end of summer because I'm really loving the neon. So these are all of the current orders that I have out that I need to pack, but I also have 3 more that I need to pool. So this is how I pool all my orders. I don't want to show you too much because it has people's addresses on it, but I'll put what they ordered in here so that way when I film it, it's like all packed up. And this has just been really helpful because I used to lay all my orders out on my dresser, but then it just became too much for my dresser, and this is really nice. So we're going to pull the 3 orders. I need to print the shipping labels. So let's go over to my Alex, which by the way, I rearranged my room. I put my desk over here, my vanity here, and we stacked up a nightstand and it looks so cool. And all my shipping supplies is in here. I think it's in this one. Nope, it's in the next one. And so I need a bubble mailer. I think we need 2 of them. And so I'm just gonna get their orders out and get them ready. So I went by and pulled all of the orders. I got their thank you card and jewelry care instructions along with what they ordered. I need to print out the shipping labels, but I also ran out of freebie stickers, so that is what I need to do tonight because I always include a little freebie sticker. We are at my desk now. I have all the orders. We're gonna film a pack with me, so I'm gonna be using my second camera, and this is when I film my other channel's video, so you're gonna see the behind the scenes. But oh my goodness, look how cute this is. It's a dog mom cup that says Burrow. John got this for me for my birthday. He said it was from Burrow. It's so cute, so that's just been sitting on my desk. It's a little messy since I haven't reorganized lately, but we are yet packing these orders. Oh my goodness, my good friend Sarah ordered all of these gorgeous elastic bracelets. She ordered 7 of them. I thought it was just so happy. So I just finished filming packing up all 6 of these orders, and I'm gonna go run them to the post office really quick because they need to get in the mail ASAP. Alright, John's coming with me to the post office, and it is dark outside.
It's getting dark so early now.
Yeah, it is. It feels like fall officially, so we're gonna drive to the post office. You guys, Olivia Rodrigo's new album came out, so you best believe we're gonna listen to God. So we'll update you guys once we get to the post office. I still think Bad Idea, Right, and Vampire are my favorite songs, and they were the singles, but we are jamming out. It is so dark outside. Okay, we're making a spontaneous trip to Target.
Emergency Target run.
We don't really need to go to Target, but I got some Target gift cards for my birthday, which I'm so grateful for. I want to go down the stationery aisle. Might have snuck off to the book section. I really want to read this one. I keep seeing it all over Book Talk. Okay, I think late night Target runs are by far one of my favorite things. They're probably very irresponsible, but I went down the book aisle and I've been watching so many book reviews, so I picked up yours truly. I've seen so many book reviews all about it and I'm so excited to read it. I think it's a romance novel, and basically it is about this girl, Brianna, who's a doctor, and her life is just kind of like going out of control, I believe, and her brother needs a kidney and she's scared she's not going to get this promotion. Well, this other doctor, Jacob, gets the promotion, and I think he has feelings for her, but he's not good at expressing it from what the back of it says, and he writes her a note, but he ends up donating one of his kidneys to her little brother. So I was so curious how this goes. I've heard so many good reviews about it, so I'm like, I have to read this. And then I also wanted to pick up a pack of these highlighters. This is by Pilot, and they make my favorite pens, but I've heard really good reviews about these. But I love to underline in my books, so I saw someone mention that these highlighters were really good, so I picked these up. But that is everything I got from Target. I did get a PR package from Pixie and SHEIN that I want to share with you guys, and Pixie sent over this gorgeous box. And I always feel like they really outdo it with PR, but it came with face eye mask and lavender spray, but it came with this like silky eye mask, and it says Kelly is getting ready to glow. And oh my goodness, I have been using this and I've never been an eye mask girly. I feel like I sleep so much better. So it came in here. I haven't opened it up besides that. So we have some little eye face mask, and these are for PM plemishing patches. I love these. These are one of my favorite products from Pixie. And it also came with a dreamy mist, and it's a jasmine lavender spray, and it says mist onto face and hydrate to preserve skin. It's great to seal your nighttime skincare routine and to mist onto your pillow. So I'm really excited. I love the scent of lavender, and I think their packaging is just so stinking cute. And I got a big selection of SHEIN basics, and I thought these would be really nice for like just working out and everything. So I'm super excited. I haven't opened any of these. So I love this. It's like a high neck flowy top. I also think this would look cute with jeans, but they just had a really great deal on their basics, so I will have all of these linked down below for you guys. This next one I think is a zip-up jacket. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. It's navy, and it just is so simple, but I love it, and they just have such great prices. And I love that it's a little bit of a drop sleeve, and it's got a little hood, so just really nice with like denim as it gets a little chillier. This is so soft. It's just a cotton long light sleeve top, and again, these are great basics to wear with denim jeans or chino shorts transitioning from summer to fall. I got the same top but in black. I don't know, I'm a sucker for like a simple white tee or a black tee during fall with like a cute little jacket or blazer on top. And then similar to the black tank, I got it in green, and I don't know if you guys have picked up on it. I've been loving the neon green color. I just think it's really fun and really happy. Is a black t-shirt dress. I wanted to try one of these. I remember trying one of them in high school and not being really sure on how to style it, so I will have to figure that out. So I will have all of those pieces linked down below in the description box. But already 9:26, my phone's in sleep mode. I have been slowly going to bed really late every night and staying up past midnight, which has been so fun because I've been reading and watching Friday Night Lights on the couch, but then I'm like so tired when I wake up. So I think I'm going to open my new highlighters, put them in this super cute little pencil pouch. John got this for me for my birthday with some PJs, and this is from the brand Roller Rabbit. They're so cute, so we're gonna do that. I want to read a little bit more tonight, maybe watch some Friday Night Lights. We still have to eat dinner, but we talked about maybe just like snacking tonight, and of course we have to play with Burrow. Hey Burrow, do you want to go on a walk? Do you want to go on a walk? Let's go get you a leash. Come on, puppy. All right, we are back from walking Burrow. Oh my goodness, he has so much energy tonight. Isn't that right, little puppy? Hi, Burrow. Look at his little tongue. So I put my PJs on because I am probably gonna sit on the couch or in bed and read, and then maybe watch some Friday Night Lights later, but I gotta show you guys my new PJs. They're so cute. They are from Roller Rabbit. John got them for me for my birthday, and I just love them. They are the long sleeve ones in blue. I have the short sleeve pink ones in like the shorts, and they're so comfy and so soft. So okay, so I think I'm gonna finish this one, The Summer I Turned Pretty, before I start reading this, but I'm so excited. So this is what I'm gonna be doing for the rest of the night.